Khovela ram soi tu te hian eng thil nge an soi thina irin camera ma nilovin private in an social media private message ate hian eng chiak nge an soi tuna irin thin tuna chuan kan seta White House wangin US official ten tibal thil thuin journalist pakhat chu top secret group a an et pal hlo maya ti chuan he group a hian Indo na tura ruamhmanna war plan an post ani ti chuan he group hi a hming chu Houthi PC small group ti ania PC hi principal committee ti na ani he group hi America CMO security official te omna ni in heng anin biak na te hi messaging platform signal anti mga siam ania WhatsApp ang deu hian mase a himzok fe ani he group a hian Donald Trump a top official antirnan JD Vance Secretary of State Marco Rubio Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth le National Security Advisor Mike Waltz te antel ani Mike Waltz nge hi journalist ang grupa etu chu ani journalist hi aming chu Jeffrey Goldberg ania Atlantic Editor-in-Chief ani grupa hian Mars ni som pakhat kumsan hi som hi panga khan et ania hiltheng dot le chi hian a thong viewang che heng American official te hian US policy chungchang Houthi sa hian an soya in beidan tur eng ti khuna beitur nge tiang te Trump hian ani na taka chuan thupek chiang takin ati chuak to a Houthis zui don ti hi Red Sea long tam takte sipai thachak na manga danatuma mase Vice President JD Vance chuan apompui velo he grupa trama message chu tiang hian achang let ani President hian tuna Europe chungchanga athu chuak hi ain kalti hi archiang em kaselo malam hunatan boina lian tak kan tok thei oil man po nasatakin asang thei don tlat tiin chuwangin JD Vance hian Indo na lampang hi chu a on vak lo deu ani alandan bera chuan European lan chuna lam ani ber a chan chu European te hian Red Sea hi an man na sat em wang ani Asia le Europe in kalpo na kong toy ber ania chuwangin Vance hian strike an nei tum hi delay ri adu ani mase Pentagon Chief American Defense Minister Pete Hegseth chuan apompui vetlat lo tiang hian a ziak hun rei fe ngale chu aris asang zo tiin engtin nge an ruamhmanna hi a leak out thei journalist top secret group a an et ve wang hi ati lo thei lo JD Vance US Vice President chuan a chang let ngal wata kan ti nge nga yai she chuan ti la Europe bel chuale hi kaning to ti hin Vice President European ngai sak re nga ya hi ining to ti ka sia I khong ai thak le mai mase mai ka soi hi dik Khovela hian ke mani chau ati thei chun kan ni midang tu man lo ti in Pete Hegseth Defense Secretary US chuan soi ani tu top chu drama advisor Stephen Miller chuan aron tar lang ta a Europe chu he operation a hian chiat choi turin ati ani Red Sea Europe long kal reng te chuan chia an choi ngai to don ani March ni som panga khan Pete Hegseth chuan America War Plan group a posa entirnan eng target nge an beitur eng ral thuam nge an manang tiang te America Defense Secretary chuan messaging app a War Plan a posta a JD Vance chuan ne na an chan theinan a tong trai tur thu a posa midang te point prayer emoji an mang vele bok Hegseth chuan bom masaber chu strike an nei masak ber chonu dar khat le min somni panga an thak tur thu tar langa tiang hian emoji po an mang na sa ani heng thil zong zong a mu nu hian journalist hian group hi a chu san ngala ti chuan US top official te hna he thu hi a zota a group tak tak ani le ni lo ti chuan March som ni panga khan White House chuan group tak tak ani thu an nem nget ani America hi ramfing le mithiam tak tak te omna mun ania anin biak na po ma nia von that vek thei om tak ani tram chuan he thil thleng hi engma a hriat lo thua soya tiang hian atarlang ani.
I don't know anything about it. I'm not a big fan of the Atlantic. To me, it's a magazine that's going out of business. I think it's not much of a magazine, but I know nothing about it. You're saying that they had what?
They were using Signal to coordinate on sensitive materials and
having to do with what? Having to do with what? What were they talking about?
With the Houthis.
The Houthis? You mean the attack on the Houthis? Well, it couldn't have been very effective because the attack was very effective. I can tell you that.
Pentagon Chief Pete Hegseth puin Indo na tur ruamhmanna war plan pakhat ma soiho na awmlo ti atalang vele bok.
Talking about a deceitful and highly discredited so-called journalist who's made a profession of peddling hoaxes time and time again, to include the hoaxes of Russia, or the fine people on both sides hoax, or suckers and losers hoax. So this is the guy that peddles in garbage. This is what he does.
Signal hi plan meeting le discussion atan manchin aniya thuruk top secret ponzarna tan nirawin White House in thladazia he hian ati chiang viau ome top secret set hi keini mipa ngai te in piang na angmain an kalpuya emoji te po an mangthei aniya an group ning shimshim po hi alem hle Houthi species small group ti ani in Europe huat na hi chu atak tak ani thunga drama official ten Europe hi an ning hlea Europe chuan chia choi lo songa khosak adua an khongai thak hle ti hin an zia ani engtin nge anom zel don shiat anilowa Democrat stand investigation kalpuyan tuma he thil thleng chungchang hi atak tak ani le ni lo chu chui chian an tum ani nimasela White House roin rang takin he thil thleng chungchang hi an hu chon ngal wata kalsan wat chu an du thung ani ole khati zong kha tun chung video a kan ngai thak thei chu ani ye